Hello students, today we'll be talking about the Indian Statistical Institute, the program which is offered at the Indian Statistical Institute and known as the Master of Science in Library and Information Science. And in today's video, we'll be talking about the scope, the eligibility, the selection procedure, the number of seats and the stipend associated with this very program. And this video has been brought forward to you by Sources Classes, which is a primary institution dealing with important quality education in math, statistics, economics and other competitive exams for the various prestigious institutes and programs all over India. So without much ado, let's get into the knowing more about this program, the Master of Science in Library and Information Science. Let us understand the scope of this very program. So this program is in short known as the MS-LIS. Now this is a 2-year master's postgraduate program which focuses on imparting quality education on library and information science. So this program how is it different from the other courses? So this course is different from the other institutes which offer similar kind of courses, with the fact that this course has a special focus about how to incorporate the information technology knowledge into this very field. So the application of information technology into library science and information science is a very innate, extensive way in which this course is somewhat different from the courses which are offered by other institutions. So where is it offered? So this course is currently offered at the ISI Bengaluru campus. So you can go to Bangalore, you can get admitted into the ISI Bengaluru course, and there you can continue with the study of this very program. Now what after this program? So if you have completed this program, where can you be expected to fit into? The students after passing through this MS-LIS program will be able to work in both the private and the public sector organizations, and the fields will basically in the library and the information field. So we will be working as librarians in various institutions and organizations. Mostly that is one kind of job that you can do, and also maybe there are some other aspects in the research of in the application of information technology into this library and in management fields. So that is another interesting field which is applicable with respect to the placements of this MS-LIS program. And let's talk about the eligibility criteria with respect to the MS-LIS program offered by the ISI. So now for this program you just need a 3 years bachelor's degree or any bachelor's degree that can be 3 years or whatever in any discipline. If you satisfy this criteria, then you're all automatically eligible to sit for this MS-LIS program and ultimately get selected for it. Let's talk about a number of seats which are available for this particular program. So this particular program, which is offered currently at the ISI Bangalore campus, has a total of 10 seats, of which 5 are for the general category, 3 are for the OBC and SEL category, 1 seat is for the SC category students, and a single seat is earmarked for the students from the scheduled tribe community. Let's now talk about the selection procedure associated with this very program. So selection is simple. There will be a written test and the subsequent interview, and based on the performance in the written test and the subsequent interview, you will be ultimately selected in the program. What is the amount of stipend? The stipend which is associated with this program is very good. You get a 5,000 rupees stipend per month, and above that you will also get a 5,000 rupees grant per year. It is known as a contingency grant, which helps you in basically buying the books. It is meant to help you in buying books and other educational related stuff for your program. So this is the stipend associated with this very program. So this is all in short about the MS-LIS program. If you need more information or need help regarding its guidance, or you need any help with the doubts or something regarding this very program or anything otherwise, then you can comment in the comment section below, and we at Sources Classes we try to reach out to you and help you as much as possible. Thank you very much.